Hello everyone. Today I am going to tackle a lecture of operation research and a topic is queuing theory formulas and examples. Okay, so next one is the some important notation and formulas regarding queuing theory. Okay, so first one is the mu. Mu that means service rate. Lambda that means arrival rate. So this two service rate and arrival rate is very important according to our queuing theory problems, because of in every question first you find the arrival rate and service rate. Okay, so first formula is the traffic intensity. We have already seen in our previous lecture. So traffic intensity that means rho. Rho is equal to lambda by mu. Lambda that means arrival rate, mu that means service rate. Okay, next is the probability of system is ideal. That means P0 is equal to 1 minus rho, or P0 is equal to 1 minus lambda by mu. That means we put here rho is equal to lambda by mu. Next is the expected waiting time in the system. This is the WS. The formula is 1 upon mu minus lambda. Second one is the expected waiting time in Q, WQ. So see here, these two sentences are very important, and sometimes this is very confusing, because of first one is the waiting time in the system and second is the waiting time in the queue. So first one is the WS and second one is the WQ. So always keep in mind, if in our question finding the waiting time in the system, so here we write the W and suffix is the S. System S is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda, and the next is the waiting time in Q. That means WQ. So Q, that means we here write here the suffix small q is equal to formula is lambda upon mu in the bracket mu minus lambda. Okay, next is the expected number of customer in the system, LS. So see here carefully, here is the number of customers in the system and the third number is waiting time in the system. Okay, so if in our question given in the word number of customers, number of trains, number of persons, number of students, so we write here, if we use the number of word, so we use the capital L. A capital L, that means LS or LQ. So number of customer in the system, so we write here capital L and in the suffix we write here small s. But in the number of customers in the queue, so we write here capital L and in the suffix we write here the small q. Got it? So the formula of the LS is equal to lambda upon mu in the bracket mu minus lambda, or rho upon 1 minus rho. So LS is equal to length of system. Okay, next is the expected number of customers in the queue. So LQ is equal to lambda square upon mu minus lambda, or rho square upon 1 minus rho. Okay, if we put here the value of rho is equal to lambda by mu. So here we write lambda square upon mu minus lambda. Next formula is the expected length of non-empty queue. That means L and EQ, non-empty queue, is equal to mu upon mu minus lambda. What is the probability track that capital K or more than K customers in the system? So we write here P greater than equal to K. That means P is greater than equal to K. The formula is lambda by mu raised to the power K, or we write here the rho raised to the power K. Okay, so next is what is the probability that more than k customers are in the system? So p greater than k. So formula is lambda by mu raised to the power k plus 1, or we write here rho raised to the power k plus 1. Next is what is the probability that at least one customer is standing in queue? That means p is equal to k is equal to lambda by mu whole square. Next is what is the probability that at least two customer in the system? So P is equal to K is equal to lambda by mu whole square. Both the formulas are same, lambda by mu whole square. So this is the example of the queuing system. Actually, in the queuing theory system, we have many types of different types of examples, and every example is depend on all these formulas. So first example is the arrival rate of a customer at a service window of a cinema hall follows a probability distribution with a mean rate 45 per hour. The service rate of a clerk follow Poisson distribution with mean of 60 per hour. That means what? Arrival rate is 45 per hour. That means per hour 45 customers are arrived, and the service rate is per hour 60 per hour. Okay, so service window of probability distribution with mean rate. So here first we find the what is the probability of having no customer in the system. That means nothing. Okay, second one is what is the probability of having 5 customers in the system. Okay, and next one is we find the LS, LQ, WS and WQ. So what do you mean by the LS, LQ? LQ, that means number of customers in the queue. LS, that means number of customers in the system. WS is equal to waiting in the system, and WQ is equal to waiting in system in the queue. Okay, so first one, every question, first you find out the lambda and mu. That means what is the arrival rate and service rate. So first of all, we write here the lambda. So lambda is equal to 45 per hour and mu is equal to 60 per hour, already given in our question. So here first we find the rho. Rho, that means traffic intensity, yeah, or utilization rate. So rho is equal to lambda by mu. So here we write the 45 divided by 60. So rho is equal to 0.475. So our first question is the no customer in the system. So we write here P0, formula is P0 is equal to what? 1 minus rho. So here we write 1 minus 0.75. That means 0.25. So what is the probability of the no customer in the system? P0 is equal to 0.25. Okay. Second is the 5 customer in the system. So formula is capital P suffix में in n is equal to rho raised to the power n in the bracket 1 minus rho. So see here very carefully, in every question we put here the value of rho. That means utilization rate. So here we have already find the value of rho is equal to lambda by mu is equal to 0.75. So we put here 0.75 in this formula. So 0.75 whole raised to the power 5, because of in our question given in the 5 customer, that means n is equal to 5 already given in our question. Okay, so we put here 0.75 whole raised to the power 5 in the bracket 1 minus 0.75. Okay, so solve this equation and we get the value of 0.0593. Okay, next is we find the LS. LS is equal to rho upon 1 minus rho is equal to, put here the value of rho 0.75 divided by 1 minus 0.75. Okay, so 0.75 divided by 1 minus 0.75, that means 1 minus 0.75 is equal to 0.25. Got it? So we write here the 0.75 divided by 0.25 is equal to 3 customers. Okay, next is we find the LQ. The formula of the LQ is rho square divided by 1 minus rho. So we put here 0.75 whole square divided by 1 minus 0.75. So solve these values and we get the 2.25. But this is the 2.25. So we always write number of customers. So we write here the whole number. So we consider only 2 customers. Got it? Next we find the WS. So what is the formula of the WS? WS is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda. So here mu is equal to 60 per hour. We have already given in our question, and lambda is equal to 45 per hour. So we put here 1 upon 60 minus 45 is equal to 1 upon 15 hours. So you write here 1 by 15 hours or multiply by 60. So 1 by 15 hours is equal to 4 minutes. Okay. Next is we find the WQ. So WQ is equal to rho upon mu minus lambda. So first of all, you write here the value of rho. Rho is equal to 0.75, mu is equal to 60, and lambda is equal to 45. So solve these steps and we get the 0.05 hours, or we convert into the minutes. So this is the 3 minutes. Okay, so this is the 2 examples of the queuing theory. I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.